Good boy. Good potty. Finn, come. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Okay, go. Finn, come. Sit. Yes, good boy. Okay. Finn, come. Sit. Yes, good boy. Okay. Finn, drop it. Yes, good boy. Good drop it. Finn, come. Finn, come. Yes, good boy. Sit. Good boy. That's a good boy. Okay, go. Oh, hey, good boy. You gonna get a stick? You gonna get a stick? Yeah? Here, I don't want you to get all tangled up. There you go. Okay, good boy. Go ahead. Wait. Good. Okay, go. Go. Good boy. Good potty. Good boy. Good come. It's me. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Finn, leave it. Come. Good boy. Thank you. Good job. Finn, leave it. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Oh, good boy. Good job. Good boy. Go. You can go. Good boy. Come. Finn, come. Oh, good job. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Good job, big guy. Here you go, bud. No, here, this one's yours. Good boy. There you go. Good boy. Come on, Finn. Good boy. Come. Come. Yes. Yes. Come. This way. This way. This way. Good boy.
I don't know what you're pointing to, sweetie. I need more.
The dog.
The green thing?
The
it's for dog food. Trash.
Oh, good patience.
Finn. Here, buddy.
Good boy, Finn. Oh, here we go. Incoming. You're okay. It's because of the leash. Good boy. You're okay, big guy. There you go. There you go. Hi. Hi. Oh, yes. You're so friendly. Good boy, Finn.
Yes, good boy.
Almost. It's too hard for him on that one.
Finn.
Not like being on a leash when a dog wants to play, does he?
Yeah.
Nope.
So,
Come.
there you go. And that's what I mean by...
Yes, good boy.
Yeah. So, like, when we were practicing at the dog park, the same issue. So, if he's locked in to play, it's still too hard to snap him out. But if you can wait for a little bit of a pause or something and take advantage of that.
Look at those dogs running.
But as he gets better and older, then... and you keep going with the training, then he should be more responsive. But it's just really hard for him at this point. Good boy, though. Good job, big guy.
So that's the other thing is, I mean, what just happened where he gets grumbly is anytime he's on a leash trying to socialize with another dog, he feels it all tangled.
Right.
Finn, come on, buddy.
And that's just something that you have to just avoid with, yeah.
I mean, I'm glad I know it. Like, I'm glad I learned it early, because otherwise, like if it hadn't happened in the puppy class, I'm not sure that I would have understood why he was getting upset.
So before he goes over there, right?
Yep.
Let's go ahead and get him over here and like pre-focused on us. And then that way we can release him into playing.
Okay. Finnegan, come.
And plus I can take this out from underneath his leg. There you go, big guy. Finn. I know. Calm down, big guy. I know. Shh. Wait. 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 Good boy. Good wait. I know. Good wait. I know, it's hard. Wait. And they're going all the way down there. Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, look at that patience, too. Look at that, huh? What do you think? Good boy. There you go. I know, you just want to go play. There you go. Oh, big old German Shepherd. Hi. Good boy. Come. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Finn. Come here, bud. I know. Good boy. Oh, poor guy.
Shouldn't be the dog 99.9% of the time. Surprises me when you don't come right when I call.
Oh.
Do you want to go run to Mama too?
Yeah, that'll be fun. Oh, wait, Finn. Wait. Good wait. Yes. Thank you, big guy. Good job.
I think he hears the clicking of course.
The thing.
Yeah.
Nice.
He's like, oh, it's time to go. They click.
He was thinking about it. Oh man, they were really going out there.
Yeah. Watch the Finn do his thing then. Let him go.
Good boy.